Yeah, you're good.
Yes. I'm
Log
going
in.
finesse.
Do I even have?
I'm going to the spot finesse.
Just throw
Yeah.
this on for now.
Actually, I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna be out of this fight.
You're shielded.
I'm going in.
Slap. Drinking. Figure.
Getting griefed.
We're coming back to you guys.
Got you, Balane.
Watch your health set. I'm in the air. Bless
We're
it.
good.
You're fine. You're fine.
Shield.
Where can I move? Bro, that guy's playing spear. Fucking wand.
It's crazy.
Change my cape, bro. Something I can't hit people from here.
Any boost on me?
Slash on me. Slash on me.
You're good,
Slash
you're
on
good.
me.
Yeah, I'm trying to get finesse.
I'm back up a little bit. I'm back up a little bit.
Foul, bro. I fucking.
You just fall to your death, you fucking turd.
Holy fuck. I don't think it's working. I don't think it's working. I'll give it one more shot.
Lonnie, you got cooldown?
We got shields.
Yo, behind you. Still got 2 people, 3 people behind you.
I'm on heal right now.
Yeah, I'm coming to you. You got damage.
He's got me. He's got me.
I got you. I got you.
He's soul spare me. Hit the dumbass.
Take this. Take this. Take this. Take this.
We gotta get back to the fight. We gotta get back to the fight.
Yeah. I'm going for mana. Or you might be dead.
You got shields.
Nice,
got him.
Good healing. Good healing.
I'm eating hard grief
I
right
didn't
now.
want to stop my mana.
No, you're good.
Thank you, boo. Thank you, boo.
Well done on sat for mana.
Hold.
Blessing out.
Flash
Flashing
on
on
me.
me.
Oh, fuck,
bro.
you died so fast.
That
I
shit
didn't
is
even
nuts,
see your
man.
health go. Yeah.
We're shielded. We should be alright.
Get out of here. I'm with you guys right here.
It's not too far away. I fucked up. Oh, brilliant. Rebat.
I got pulled.
Oh shit.
But they
You can
healed
call it out.
me.
Call it out, cause I can pull you back.
I'd rather you heal them. It's alright. Cause I can heal myself usually. Majority of the time, if I die, it's usually because it's my own fuck up.
Okay.
You got
Just
damage
heal
for that?
them. Just heal them. Bro.
Yeah.
I'm going in, boys.
I'm on is low. Dead.
Fucking soul spirit. Big shields on you guys.
Going for mana in the back line. I'm like, oh, God. Fuck you.
Finesse, you got damage.
Circle on you. Circle on sap. Circle on sap.
Good here. Shit just blocked.
I need slash right now. He's in
Stop
our
got
back.
back.
damage.
He's
Stop back.
deep.
I'm on slash. I'm on slash. I'm on slash.
Did I go to the wrong spawn? No. I'm good.
Okay, move.
I'm gonna back up. Okay, we're good. We're good.
I'm with you.
Spear players, bro.
Grabbed.
Circle on.
Grab.
Circle on 19. Oh, perfect.
I'm waiting because I got interrupted on my last one. I need a couple seconds.
Like, you just got my target?
Go for
Below you?
mana now.
You got damage, Lucky.
He's one. Dead.
We got him. We got him. We got him. We got him.
You're shielded.
Bro, this fucking tank, man. Fuck
Oh, I
off,
pulled you down.
dog.
I was worried though. I didn't realize you were up there.
Yeah, I'm going deep. I'm going deep. I'm going deep. I'm going deep.
Oh, I'm trying to catch up to you. I got tornadoed.
I should be fine. Half stealth. Half stealth. Something
Pull
else.
up in 10.
I'm running back to you guys.
You got shields out. You got damage finesse.
Bro, I keep getting fucking griefed by tanks.
Going for mana in the back line. Sab, are you okay?
Probably need help here.
Yeah.
But I think
Yep.
There we go.
yeah. Why the fuck is my shit not working?
You got it.
Mountain, on the mountain.
I'm capping tower for us real quick.
You got damage?
We're good. We're good.
Keep pulling me.
You're good. You're good.
No,
Fine, you're fine. We're with you.
That fucking
What
heal
was that guy
is
thinking about?
savage.
5 seconds on Bastion.
You alright?
Oh, admirable. Cooldown speed's going out.
Got 2 tanks on me, one's weak.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Kill this spear player.
Dead.
And leave him. Leave him. Leave him. If we can't kill him, just leave him.
I'm stealthing.
I got you. I got you.
I'm just waiting a second.
Well down here.
Let's go
Sab.
deeper. I'm going in.
Go.
Here's running guy. There's a grab top. Nice.
You got damage.
He's a tank. I'm Come on, you got cooldown?
We got
You
shield.
Yep. Yep.
Can
Oh,
pop it?
no, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. My bad. I thought you
Okay.
pull.
Big on the left side.
Big.
Slash. I'm on slash.
You're screeping me, but you can't hurt me.
Nice.
I gotta get back to you guys.
We got big
Yeah.
shield just in case.
Soul blade.
Yeah, I guess. I he'll cut that tank in the middle. Nice, dead.
Nice.
Left
You
side.
got damage.
With you.
Dead. Left front, this guy.
Oh my god. What?
He's heal cut. Dead. Dumbass bitch. Don't ever fucking chow me. I'm back up a little bit.
You're fine.
Just hold right here.
Yeah,
hold right
hold
here.
our side. That's not us.
Don't leave Villani.
I'm fine. I got double smoke screen stuff.
Yeah, that's our side.
Pushing mountainside. Just try to
Yeah.
take high ground if we can.
Thank you.
Pulls down. Yep. No doubt.
Just shield out.
My target. That's him right there.
Oh my god.
One.
Okay.
Nice.
Fucking let you die there, so I just wasn't looking for help. Blessing on Roy.
I'm busting on loads.
Blast loads.
I'm getting bounced around everywhere, bro. Watch the spear stack.
I'm coming.
Cooldown speed's trying to go out.
Shield on us.
Throw a lot on this side.
Got him.
Well down outside.
Yep.
I'm gonna go deep, bro.
I'm going for mana before this fight.
You got damage. Shield out.
You
guys
got
want that-
So
you-
many fucking Tevin timers.
You guys want that stack?
You want what?
You guys want this stack right here? Come.
Holy shit.
They're all gonna end up focusing. You.
Woo!
No way, we let him DFA at 20% health into our ball and no one killed him.
Guys are gonna spawn again. Just got one of them gonna spawn. I think I'm on target.
You got damage. And you got shield.
I'm going in, bro. Good pool. I'm dead.
Come on, I got you.
I can't move, and I got grabbed. Might have saved me actually. I get slash. Oh,
Save
fuck,
it.
bro.
They are mana burning. They're mana burning.
I'm walking
right
back
now.
to you guys and stuff. You need to start moving forward. We're losing space right here. We're losing space right here.
Stunned.
Get me out of here.
Oh, I couldn't get to you in time. I ran too far away.
It's all good.
Kill Lord
Ran
Hunter.
on the back line.
He's like in the middle of our wall right now. He's weak. He's weak.
On top.
He has 7 daggers as
He's
well.
stealth out. He's stealth out. Stealth out.
All these guys have fucking 7 daggers, man. Flash is low. Flash is low. Flash is low. Dead. I'm on simple Ryan right now. He's on the mountain.
Top
You got
of the
damage.
Speed.
You got shield up.
Nice.
What the fuck?
Far.
He'll cut
Get to
me.
you guys.
He'll cut me.
There's a stealther behind you, I think.
Probably the only time I die is like a he'll cut.
Yeah. I'm going deep.
God.
Got him.
Fucking retarded piece of shit tanks just slowing the fuck out. You guys got shields though? You're good?
Oh, Lucky's deep. Lucky's deep. Oh, look, spear that shit. Spear that shit.
You got damage? You got damage?
We're going back. Back
Backing up,
back.
I'm trying to get out. Hook me if
Yeah,
you
we
can.
got you. We got you. We
I'm
got you.
lucky.
I
I'm
tried.
lucky.
We're good, we're good, we're good,
We
we're
got
good,
you. We
we're good.
got you.
I need mana.
Got him while I AFB.
I'm gonna try to get
Nature
out of
blessing
combat.
out for mana.
I'm milking,
He's
I'm
sour
milking,
right
I'm
here.
milking, I'm milking.
He tries to go in.
Try not to let him hit me.
It's a great sword.
You got shields? Go ahead.
Fuel card to hell right now.
You got damage. Nature's blessing out.
These are literally all tanks. They're all tanks and healers.
Oh, my health!
Kind of smoke screen.
Cool down speed's going up.
I'm on slash.
Should be
Yeah.
good.
Holy.
Huddle on brilliance.
Brother.
On notes, on notes, on notes.
Dead.
Dead.
I'm stunned.
Flash is on me. Got stealth. Flash is, he's stunned. He's in place. He's not smoke screen. He's not smoke screen. Dead. Fucking shit on kid. Don't ever show me again, dumbass. I might need help.
Blessing
Yeah,
on
I
you.
do. Thank you.
You guys got shields?
I'm going in deep.
And then I'm going in, I'm going in.
On my target, Lucky. On my target. He's one. He's absolute.
1919.
I had to thirst it. I had to thirst it. I had to.
I respect the gang, gang.
Fuck
I mean,
that
I'm
guy.
on brilliance. I'm on top of brilliance. I'm going in, I'm going in, I'm going in. I'm deep.
Oh, it is
Bro, they
big.
literally have a spinner just sitting on our spawn. What the fuck?
That was a ton of damage we just did right there.
Yeah, look at them tombstones where your
Yeah,
body
back.
was, bro.
Yeah, that was big. I don't care. I don't care. I died.
You got damage?
I'm going in, bro. I'm going in deep. Save me! Save me!
We got
Gotcha.
you. Got you.
Yeah, gotcha.
Bro, I hate the fucking spear slow. It is ridiculous.
Help these guys. Help Vials and
I'm
Carmels get
backing
out.
up. I gotta go milk.
Help Carmels get out. Help Carmels get out. Help 19 back up. Help 19 back
Okay,
up.
okay, okay. Vaughn, you got cooldown? You got cooldown?
Stack on me, stack on me.
I got after this push. Blessing on Aurora. Cooldown speed.
Please,
Leaks are out. Trying to clip.
Hit you.
I'm going in. I'm going in. I'm going in on top of 19. Oh, I
Yeah, I'm
got
going
slowed by the bell. Unlucky.
Can't find any DPS players to kill. They're all fucking healers and tanks. Written.
Shields up.
Good, we're good,
Slash.
we're good. I'm on Ren.
Slash is one. Slash is
Take
one.
it up. I'm on Slash. I'm still on Slash. I'm gonna hit him when he comes back in. I'm gonna keep it. He's stealth. He's stealth. He's stealth.
I'm being speared. Don't stack on me. Fuck. At least it was just me.
He like solo, just went for you solo.
He died. He died. He died. Oh, he might have stealth. I love Tevin.
Yep.
You got bear out.
Tornado.
Yeah.
Stay kill him
back
outside.
on.
Stay kill him outside. South side, he said.
Oh, lucky
Yeah.
you are way deep.
Yeah, I got stunned. I got hooked, and then I got stunned after I got hooked.
I'm Lord Hunter right now. No, backing up.
You gotta cool down for this push.
I'm going deep, bro. I'm going deep. I'm going deep.
I'm in there like somewhere.
You got shield. You're good.
Got fucking slept.
Hold on, speed trying to go out.
Skull sucks ass. How
We're gonna do
Megatron?
all tanks right here.
Let's not.
Got you. Got you. Got you.
Can't move! Holy fuck!
Oh, I pulled you.
Oh, and I still couldn't move after you pulled
I
me.
know, yeah. Fuck, 19. I got anything for you here.
I'm good. I'm
You're
good.
You're good. You're good.
We got behind us, Sarah. On me.
Yeah, I got you. All right, dummy. I don't.
Devote, they devote, they devote. I'm trying to back it. Fuck, man.
You just heal cut. Didn't do anything. Should have been a little
What?
further away. No pull right here, 19. Just be careful. I'm almost to you. Very good. Cool down speed. It's going out.
Okay. Lucky, my
I'm going
target. My
deep,
target.
boys. I'm going deep.
Yeah. My target, like he's one. Nice.
Slash is.
I'm going to this
slash
one.
CC.
I'm going to
Slash
this
CC. Slash CC. He's invis. I got you.
Lesson on
Lucky.
what?
Stunned again.
I got a blessing on you.
I'm still trying to run.
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
still
trying
trying
to-
to
We got you.
run.
We got you. We got
Trying to
you.
I'm on slash, I'm on slash, I'm on slash, I'm on slash.
Grab mana.
one. I CC'd him.
He can't
running,
move.
keep running.
He's slow.
Trying to lift him off you.
Oh, he's gonna get healed.
We're good. We're
He's
good. We're
healed.
good.
He's full
We
healed.
gotta wait. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. The fuck is that guy doing?
Lesson on where?
Ooh, that was scary. Not paying attention this time.
Couldn't even get to you.
All good.
Killed him. I killed him, finesse. I'm stunned again, man.
Like
What a
What
fucking joke.
Slept.
Their tanks are like backlining, man. These guys are ass.
Come on, guys. Come.
Back up a little bit. Back up a little bit.
You being killed on a spawn again?
No, I fucking smoked that kid because he has no melee evasion. But yes, he was trying to. Yes, he was trying to cap us. Yes, he was trying to camp us. No, I was not dying because that guy's ass.
Oh, he
Look at it around.
Question mark after I killed
He
him.
said push forward right now. Push. He said push forward right now.
Yeah, I'm going. Bro, I'm going deep. I'm going deep. I'm going deep as fuck.
Cool down speed's going out.
Yep.
Shields are up.
Stealth thing.
Y'all good? You guys are good?
I'm gonna chill right here.
Did he die?
Gunshot, dumbass.
Oh my god, we smoked that kid. Sleep bomber? Sleep. I mean, we're gonna have to hold this. We're gonna have to hold this in a second.
Lesson on stop.
Flash. Fucking I
Alright,
grabbed.
just
I'm a stealth it, I'm a stealth it.
Nah,
over.
look on lows, look on lows, look on lows. A fuck ton, boys.
I'm brilliant. I'm brilliant. I'm brilliant.
Yeah, there's a fuck ton. Hurry up. You guys wiped them so fast.
I need to get
Flash
out of there. I
again?
need to get mana. I need to get mana. Kill this guy on our backline.
Why is my fucking Shadow Strike just
Just
not
leave him. Just leave
working?
him. I need to get mana. I'm backing the way the fuck out.
Okay. Oh, I can heal you.
Got him. You got shield for this?
Cool, all right there.
I do.
Got one shot. This tank. This tank. It's literally one health. Dead. Go slash if you can. He's one shot. He's in stealth. I'm deep right now. Fuck, I'm getting aggressive. I'm dead.
I got you shield.
Ah, I
Come
can
on.
Fool
I seen
you.
the full.
I tried.
I seen. I'm alive. I'm alive.
Yeah.
I stealth. I
He's
stealth.
stealthy. He's stealthy. Everyone back up. Everyone back up. I'm gonna try.
Oh my god, I'm stuck. I'm floating. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. I'm over there.
Fuck.
One.
CCing.
Good mana.
I'm
You
dead.
got shield
I'm
on you,
dead.
Bill.
I'm dead as fuck. I'm dead as fuck.
Nope, you good. I got you. I got you.
Fast stack on me. You see it
Dumbass.
lucky. You see it lucky.
Don't mess on me. Don't mess on me. He wants stealth. He wants stealth. He wants stealth. Save me. Save me. Save me. Great sword.
Good.
Nice. Renton. Blast him real quick.
Yep.
Dead.
On me. On modes.
Well, speed's going out.
He's rooted.
I'm on
Focusing
slash right
on
now.
roar. Well done on roar.
He never died.
I got him.
I was.
I'm getting great sword right now.
I got you shielded. I'm trying.
Not matter. I don't have anything for
Why
you.
could
Oh my god, I'm alive.
Nice.
Why could you not fucking? I don't even think you were heel cut.
Great sword heal cuts.
Yeah, great sword does heal cut.
Mana.
Got you shielded.
All right, mountainside. If you can kill slash. No,
Hold on,
Kawaii.
use
He's
that.
half.
He's slowed.
Yep,
He's
I'm on
slowed.
it.
Slash is slowed. Slow.
Flashes.
He's slowed.
I'm dead.
Oh my god, I'm getting fucking deleted. We stacked so hard right there. That was bad. Oh, Bob's on.
Bobby? Why didn't we pick up
Bobbers.
Bob?
Well done.
I'm on
Sam.
point.
Hold on, speed going out.
Stack on me.
Hey, Matthias.
Heal cut him.
You got shield.
Nice. Slash. My target, Lucky. My target.
I didn't do that much heal in that game. I see that, and then I see like 2 seekers on their side that I did more healing than, but
Holy shit, those guys are taking up too much. My Stellar right, man.
fucking Oliver almost did 8 mil healing.
Oh fuck! I didn't bother.
Past 8 mil.